Otto says 100 points, let's give him trophies. They didn't even do anything. Otto says that the showmanship is what he loves to see. He enjoyed the living crap out of that. It's pretty fantastic. So this is Team Drift Factory?
チームドリフトファクトリーお、いいじゃないですか今発音
Okay, Team Drift Factory, let's go! Oh, big faint entries. Let's see if they can suck it up. They're very evenly spaced at this point. A little bit of a nose drop. Let's see, this back car is kind of lacking. Let's see if he can keep up. Two of those cars got style stickers. One of them did not, and I think you can tell which one. Bringing it all the way out to the wall, though. Team Drift Factory.
チームドリフトファクトリーは
Let's see if they can suck it up and do better. We want to see a complete run. Let's see what they can give us. So far, so good. Let's see what happens around this last turn. Can they all bring it out to the wall for the people? They are trying it out with smoke. Cheers from up in the top. Team Drift Factory putting on a clinic right now. That was a fantastic run. What do you think, Mr. Abo?
イエーイチ
イエーイ
ームドリフトファクトリーはまあ同一スタンドは良かったけど2本目は本当パーフェクトだと思いますすごい良かったと思います車速と距離感
She's interpreting.
良かった
She wants the drone. I know she wants that drone. That's what that is.
She's a he.
He.
Yeah, she